Why choose Treasure Coast Appliance Repair over the dozens of other options out there? Here's what makes us different. First, we're local, not a franchise, not a national call center dispatching techs from 2 counties away. We live and work on the Treasure Coast. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, Hobe Sound. This is our community. Second, same-day service. Most calls received by noon get a same-day appointment. We understand that when your fridge stops cooling, you can't wait 3 days. Food safety matters. Third, OEM parts on every repair. We don't cut corners with cheap aftermarket parts that fail 6 months later. Original manufacturer parts ensure the repair lasts. Fourth, honest advice. If your appliance isn't worth repairing, we tell you. We'd rather earn your trust by saving you money than sell you a repair you don't need. Roughly half the time, we recommend replacement over repair. That's honesty you can count on. Fifth, transparent pricing. We diagnose the problem and give you the exact cost before doing any work. No surprises. Our diagnostic fee is applied toward the repair. Sixth, all brands, all appliances. Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, KitchenAid, Kenmore, Amana, Bosch, Sub-Zero, Viking, and every other brand. Refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, ovens, ranges, cooktops, freezers, and garbage disposals. Licensed, insured, and 5-star reviewed. We're the Treasure Coast Appliance Repair choice. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.